YouTube, what's going on? Welcome back to a brand new video. It's your boy Roxy. Today we're just gonna be doing a little POV drive over here. I found a pretty cool area, so a lot of cool windy roads and everything like that. So this is my 2021 Dodge Charger RT for those of you that are new to the channel. Check out some of the other content on the channel too. This is just gonna be a POV drive, but we have a ton of stuff from car meets, all types of stuff. So should be a pretty cool, light, laid back, relaxed video. Before we get started, make sure you drop a like, a comment, and I'll see you guys inside the car. All right, here we go, guys. So yeah, this is some of the cool windy roads that I was talking about earlier. I've been back in this area. I'm gonna roll up the windows a little bit just so you can hear. Not a lot of drone and stuff, but I've been back in this area I think like one other time. Pretty cool. We don't have that much stuff back here in Texas. It's not like California where like you have like canyons, mountains, all types of stuff. So a lot of plains out here, but we make do with what we do have, and nice little road. Of course, the Charger is not meant for windy roads and taking corners aggressively and everything like that. This is a boat, a pretty heavy boat at that. So I think a Corvette, a Camaro, definitely be more suitable and probably enjoyable. Like hitting like some interesting speeds going around these corners, but still fun nonetheless. People are always asking me, how do you always find new locations and stuff like that? It's literally from taking drives on Friday mornings and just exploring the area. I feel like people are always going super far to find cool, interesting places, but it's important to explore the places that are very close to you or that are in your area already, just to see what's out there. One day when we all have our McLaren 720s, you're gonna have to be cruising and stuff like that too, so you might as well start now. But no, this is a nice area, a lot of cool houses and stuff. Let's see, I'm just trying to see what else is out here, man. All these houses are super big. I think they're little ranch house, baby ranch houses, but everyone has horses and stuff in their front yard. That's super cool. It's crazy, man. You'll drive 30 minutes away from where you live, and it's just a completely different way of life in a sense. Man, I definitely want to own property like this one day. Just have some land, I feel like land is probably one of the best assets that a person can own, just because you can just do so much with it, I guarantee you in about 40 years or so, they're probably going to build all, back in this area. So the people that are growing crops and stuff back here, all this stuff is going to go for probably double than what it's worth right now. So definitely a good asset to look into, I guess, for all the people that are late teens or 20s and stuff like that. Put that in the plan, bro, to own a piece of land one day. All right, so this is where the fun really starts. I'm gonna go ahead and roll the windows down a bit so that you guys can hear the exhaust. see what I mean? But like that's gonna be a neighborhood back there. There's some for the cows. Yeah, no, bro, this is like, I swear, this is like therapy in a sense, man. It's so relaxing just to like cruise like this and relax. It's not super hot, only like 85 degrees right now. Really can't wait till it gets cooler outside. I know I'm gonna have to like be more patient, let the tires warm up and stuff before like, you know, having a bit of fun, but the exhaust is just gonna scream when it's like cooler. Then I've even been considering, I've been talking to like a lot of people, whatever. Oh, there's a squirrel down there, that's sad. But you get a lot of suggestions to like look into getting like you know, headers, which will just like, you know, make the car super loud. I'm trying to decide if that's the route that I want to take. So I need to watch more videos online so I can, you know, hear how it sounds and decide if that's something I want to do. That's super nice back there, bro. See, a lot of these places, like, it's like, oh, I really want to go there, but I don't know if that's like somebody's property. And then, you know, living in Texas is not the smartest thing to just walk on around people's property. That's, you know, that would not turn out well for either party. So old school Mustang up here. This guy was like hitting it earlier, trying to see if he's gonna do anything. Pretty cool. I think it's a Mustang. We'll see if we stop with the stoplight, but no, pretty sick. Yeah, no, it's a Shelby. Damn, I don't even know how much those things would be, bro. That's like pretty cool to like have something like that in like your collection. He's probably about to overtake this truck once it clears. Yeah, he's looking. Let's see, here he goes. But yeah, guys, I'm probably gonna go ahead and wrap up this video here. Really appreciate you guys, you know, watching all the way through. For those of you that did stick all the way through, I hope you enjoyed it. Tried to give y'all some nice, good pulls and stuff. Pretty early out here today, so without further ado, go ahead and drop a like on the video. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. I think we're like 300 away from, you know, 2K now, so pretty exciting stuff, guys. But all right, let me get up out of here. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.